Claude Skills are quietly becoming one of the most underrated ways to make money in 2026. And I'm not saying this because the concept is new. I'm saying this because most people today are just using AI for prompting. And it's not like there's anything bad with it, right? But then if you use AI to build real systems, that's the difference. If you're just using it for prompting, then you're leaving money on the table. In 2026, AI is not a nice to have skill, it's a must have skill. If you go on LinkedIn, even looking at jobs, a lot of jobs that at first didn't really require anything to do with AI are currently asking for AI. So in 2026, regardless of where you find yourself, okay, whether you're an entrepreneur, you're a business owner, or you're someone who is actually looking for a job, knowing how to use AI is no longer a must-have skill. And so in this video, I really want to touch on 7 ways in which you can actually monetize Claude Skills. But before I jump into that, I want to first explain what Claude Skills is. I do have a dedicated video that actually goes into detail of what Claude Skills is. So you may want to watch that video after watching this video as well for some deeper knowledge. But for the sake of clarity, let me explain what Claude Skills is, okay? A lot of people think Claude Skills are just better prompts, right? They are not. Just think of it like this, okay? Prompts are like one-time instructions, whereas Claude Skills are more like reusable systems with structure, with logic and output. So instead of asking AI to do something for you every single time, instead of going into ChatGPT or in this case Claude and asking it to do something for you every single time, you just define it once and then you can reuse it forever. Okay, that's where the money is, because now you're not having to always actively go in and ask AI to do something. You already have a system that is doing it for you. So that's what Claude Skills is in a nutshell. So now that we know what Claude Skills is, now that we've got that definition out of the way, now let's talk about how you can actually build some real leverage with Claude Skills, or how you can actually make money with Claude Skills in 2026. Now, the first one is building productized services, okay? This is the fastest way to start, in my opinion, right? Take something people already pay for and turn it into a systems, right? So for instance, there are people like resume coaches whose job is to solely tailor people's resumes for them, okay? So what you can actually do is you can basically create a resume tailoring skill that basically tailors people's resumes for them. Okay, and I do have a video on this channel that goes into details on how you can tailor your resume using Claude Skills to 10x your job search. So you can watch that video as well to get some inspiration. But just think about things like that, okay? So instead of like I write resumes, now you can basically create a Claude skill that does that. Think of content creators, influencers. They are always looking for ways to build some form of consistency. So Claude Skills is one way that can help as well. So create these type of services and then market it to these people, okay? You build a Claude skill that does this consistently, and now you are not selling time, you are selling speed, you're selling consistency, you're selling outcomes. And clients at the end of the day, they don't really care what the underlying technology is. All they care is that something is working, something is solving my problem for me. Let me know if you want me to do a video on how I use Claude Skills to 10x my content creation. Let me know in the comment section below and I'll do a video on that. Okay, now the next thing you can do is also just think of B2B solutions. Okay, so you can sell to businesses. Businesses want AI, but most of them have no idea how to actually use it or where to actually start from, right? So this is where you come in as a Claude Skills expert. You build Claude Skills for customer support replies, sales outreach, internal documentation, meeting summaries, and instead of handing them a tool, you give them a working system. And this is easily a 1K to 10K per setup plus retainers, because you are solving real problems for businesses. Now, this is why I like Claude Skills, okay? Unlike other tools like, let's say, N8N or other AI automation tools, these ones do not require that you have to be technical, because at the end of the day, you're using natural language, and even Claude has a skill creator inside it, okay? So if you don't even want to create it from scratch yourselves, you don't want to write up the instructions, you can ask Claude Skills skill creator to create a skill for you, okay? All you have to do is you need to understand the underlying business process, and then you can translate this to Claude Skills and it will create the skill for you as well. This is something that is going to close the gap between technical and non-technical people, because you don't need to be technical to be able to create Claude Skills. Okay. Now, I want to talk about the third way in which you can actually make money with Claude Skills in 2026 is by selling skill packs. Okay. This is where you can start to scale because now you're moving away from active income to passive income. Once you create the skill packs once, you just have to sell it. Okay. You package your skills into products. So think of things like content creator packs, job seeker packs, business automation packs. Each one includes structured workflows, defined outputs, clear instructions. You are basically selling plug and play systems, and people buy this because they don't want to figure it out. Not everyone wants to go and understand what Claude Skills is. So if you're able to package this and give it a very good price tag, then this becomes some form of passive income for you as well. Now, the next thing I want to talk about in terms of how you can monetize Claude Skills in 2026 is by doing something like document creation as a service, okay? And this one I feel is very simple, but it's also underrated at the same time. People have messy ideas, people take notes, people have data all over the place, and they need to turn it into something that is polished. With Claude Skills, you can create proposals, you can create reports, you can create SOPs, you can create client deliverables, and what takes hours manually can now just take minutes. And all you have to do is you can charge $50 to $1,000 depending on the work. Now, speed just becomes an advantage. Now, the next way in which you can make money with Claude Skills in 2026 is spreadsheet systems, okay? Before AI came into the mix, a lot of people were just selling spreadsheets, okay? Small businesses are drowning in spreadsheets. They have spreadsheets for everything. Individuals or people who are not business owners also have a lot of things that they track in spreadsheets, okay? And they are bad ones sometimes, they are broken ones, they are confusing ones. Now, with Claude Skills, you can basically build a budget tracker, you can build sales dashboards, you can build inventory systems from plain English, okay? So just pick a niche, build ones, and either sell them as templates or do custom setups for people. Now, this is easily something that you can actually start charging $100 to $500 per project. Or you can, again, back to the idea as you can sell this as a digital product on Gumroad or Ko-Fi. Just think about it. Any place, okay? Now, the sixth one is education plus community. Because the AI space is moving so fast, there's a massive gap right now. And the gap is between people who are actually using AI casually, people who don't know where to start from, and people who are actually building systems with AI. Now, if you understand this, you can teach it, okay? So you can teach it, you can either create courses, you can create workshops, you can create paid communities. And what people want is simple. People don't want theory, people want templates, they want workflows, they want real use cases, and they want recurring income. So if you're able to create a community, create some form of education around this, this is also your ticket to another income stream. On that note, I want to talk about my paid community. Now, if you are someone who doesn't know where to start from, or you're starting and you need other people to help you stay accountable to your growth, to help you stay accountable to the way you are leveraging AI, or you're looking for a structured way to learn AI and be good at it, you want a clear starting point, you want real workflows, you want to learn by building, you need a community of builders, you want some support, feedback, continuous learning, you want to stay up to speed with AI, then I'm launching this community where you can get all of this and more. If you are interested in joining that community, I'm going to leave the link in the comment section below so that you can join the community as well. So that is another way in which you can actually monetize Claude Skills. And mind you, this community is not just for Claude Skills. As you know, on this channel, I do more things than just Claude. I talk about so many AI tools. So regardless of the AI tool you're thinking about, or regardless of your use case, or whatever your goal is, join this community and we can hopefully help you get to that goal you want to get to. Now, the last way, or the seventh way in which you can actually make money from Claude Skills in 2026 is through like getting a better job, okay? Now, let me just bring it back to people who are not interested in becoming entrepreneurs or selling stuff. All you want is to land another job. That's okay as well, because I have something for you. Now, if you go on LinkedIn, like I mentioned earlier on in the introduction, a lot of jobs are now asking for AI. HR jobs are asking for AI. Finance jobs are asking for AI. So you don't need to be a software developer to be asked to have AI skills. A lot of companies are now realizing that AI is a must-have skill, okay? But in order to land these jobs, you're probably doing this manually. You probably have a unique prompt in ChatGPT or in Claude, and you always upload your resume and it'll tailor your resume for you and all that. With Claude Skills, you can change that, okay? Most people are applying for jobs the same way today. They use the same resume, the same approach. With Claude Skills, you can tailor your resume for each role. You can have a skill for helping you with interview prepping. You can have a skill for helping you with like research and show up differently. And having all these things or all these skills defined doesn't just help you get hired, it helps you get hired at a higher level, okay? Which means better offers, better negotiation, higher long-term income. And I did create a video going into details on how you can actually use Claude Skills to tailor your resume to 10x your job search. So if you're interested in watching that video, I'm going to link it in this video as well so that you can go check it out. Now, I want to touch on a reality shift because I feel like for this to work for you or for you to be able to tap into all these income streams I've talked about, you need to have a shift in mindset, okay? If you stay in, let me try this AI tool, you get stuck, okay? The people winning are asking, what system can I build that actually solves a real problem? And if you want to learn how to actually do this and not just use AI, but build real systems that make money, that's exactly what I'm focused on inside my community. I'm not just showing you Claude skills, I'm showing you how to turn them into real workflows, how to leverage AI to build real workflows, real systems that you can monetize, that you can use to improve upon your life or your own processes. And I've opened a few spots. I want to keep this community small for a start. So if you're interested, the link is going to be in the description box so that you can sign up. I know that after everything I've said, for sure, a few people will build systems, and that's what we want. So decide where you want to be, whether you want to be watching or you want to be actually building real leverage with AI. And as usual, if you're not subscribed to my channel, I'll encourage you to subscribe to my channel, share, comment, all the good stuff. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.